Hello, and thank you for watching this month's Dechtman Wealth Management Financial Insights. And in this month's video, I'll discuss some of the major headlines that have influenced markets in September, and I'll also provide some insight into what those developments can mean for you as an investor. So we just completed the third quarter of 2018, and we're now entering the year's final stretch. So between July and September, the S&P, Dow, and NASDAQ all gained at least 7%. In fact, the S&P had its best quarter since 2013. However, last month's performance contributed little to these strong gains. Now, historically, September isn't a particularly strong month for stocks. In the past 20 years, the S&P has averaged a 0.8% loss in September, and the major indexes continued this trend last month, posting mixed returns. The NASDAQ down 0.8%, the S&P up 0.4%, and the Dow grew by 1.9%. Now, this somewhat level performance came despite the S&P and the Dow hitting new records during the month. And as has been the case throughout 2018, trade did continue to be a hot topic in September. The US and China imposed more tariffs on each other's imports. However, Canada agreed to join the US and Mexico in a new trade accord that would replace the North American Free Trade Agreement, NAFTA. Now, these geopolitical developments generated major headlines, but they weren't the main drivers for stock market performance. Instead, investors focused on the fundamentals. Now, September gave us a lot of news to think about, from housing to retail to you name it. But the recent data indicates that the housing market may be slowing. As prices increase and inventories stay low, many buyers can no longer afford to purchase homes. The challenge is especially noticeable in larger cities, which could drive some people to relocate. Reports also indicate that retail sales remain relatively flat. However, the pace may pick up again. Tax cuts and a strong labor market mean consumers have more money to spend. In fact, consumers are feeling very good about the economy, and the final result from September's Consumer Sentiment Index was above 100 for only the third time ever. Additionally, consumers' expectations for their personal finances to improve reached its highest level since 2004. So against this backdrop, the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell said the economy is strong. He noted that inflation is close to the Fed's 2% goal, and the labor market is providing the jobs that people need. So going into October, we have a lot to keep an eye on, from Italy's financial concerns to upcoming corporate earnings season. Both domestic and global data will be in our radar. So just as stocks often drop in September, October can bring volatility, and the fourth quarter is often strong. But of course, past performance is no promise of future results. So our goal will be to analyze current circumstances and of course keep you abreast of market movements. All right, so that's all I have for you this month. But don't forget to tune in next month by subscribing to our channel for another economic and educational update from Dechtman Wealth Management. And if you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call today or visit our website using the link found in the video description below. Thank you for watching.